Magellan, a man hardened by years of navigating bureaucratic mazes, stood dumbfounded by the alien's revelation. The violet-purple light played across his face, highlighting the lines etched by stress and disbelief. His calloused hands, more accustomed to gripping paperwork than touching the unknown, clenched at his sides. He was a man of logic, of tangible proof, yet here he was, faced with the impossible. As they walked, Magellan noticed Zephyr's movements were fluid, almost dance-like, a stark contrast to his own rigid gait. The corridor they traversed seemed to shift and change, walls shimmering with iridescent patterns that responded to their presence. They emerged into a vast cavern, its ceiling lost in shadows. Structures of impossible geometry rose before them, defying Earth's laws of physics. Magellan, a man who prided himself on understanding the world, felt a tremor of existential unease. Zephyr's expression softened. Wisdom, Magellan. The wisdom to know when to reveal and when to conceal. Your people's journey to the stars is but a blink in cosmic time. You look but do not see. As they walked, Magellan noticed small glowing orbs floating freely. One drifted close, and he felt a gentle warmth, a whisper of ancient knowledge brushing his mind. They approached a structure that seemed to be made of liquid light. Inside, Magellan saw projections of Earth's history, past, present, and potential futures. He saw moments of triumph and moments of unspeakable horror. "This is your trial," Zephyr said softly. "Not just you, but all of humanity. Learn from the Luminites, understand the delicate balance of the universe. Only then can you hope to overcome the challenges that lie ahead."